For years it has been the most popular and most requested RS model from the Audi range. The RS 1999 B2 with 4-liter bi-turbo V5 engine and 2.7 kW 6 PS was presented at the end of 280 as the successor to the Audi RS 380. If you are looking for a well-maintained example of a total of only 6,046 built with less than 100,000 kilometers, you should plan well over 40,000. Even vehicles with 200,000 kilometers and more are sometimes traded for well over 30,000. A 2015 RS4 Avant with around 100,000 kilometers is not really more expensive. Crazy world, or simply investment, and just such a rare specimen was now with the team at bench. To guest to pick up a new set of alloy wheels. It is decided to be beautiful 19-inch NTM Motorsport rims, the high-gloss polished rim bed and gold-painted rim star in combination with a significant lowering. Further information unfortunately unknown. Sit perfectly in the wheel arch and even partially disappear into the rear axle. Both the lowering and the wheel set can of course be retrofitted at any time on request, and this is also mandatory, especially with regard to a further increase in value. If we get more information, there is of course an update for this report. You will be informed about this if you simply use our feed subscribe to. Have fun watching the pictures and stay true to us.